Almost everything that we use in our daily and throughout our life has been brought to us by the manufacturing industry. MMC Realtek Corporation, a member of Mitsubishi Materials Corporation, is a globally renowned general manufacturer of materials. Consistent Designs develops and manufactures wear-resistant tools, rock tools, carbide blanks, and cutting tools, which are essential to the manufacturing industry. MMC Realtek Corporation started in the 1870s after the Meiji Restoration as Tsukumo Corporation, which was the predecessor of Mitsubishi, and expanded its operations to metal mining business in 1917 as Mitsubishi Mining Corporation Limited. Since the inauguration of the Cell Cemented Carbide in 1930, we have been expanding our business to manufacturing of rock tools, wear-resistant tools, and cutting tools by integrating the long-standing traditions and manufacturing technologies. We integrated MMC Hard Materials Corporation, which is Carbide Blanks Division, and established a new manufacturing company in 2011. MMC Realtek Corporation consists of the following 4 divisions. Wear-Resistant Tools Division, which focuses on maintaining high accuracy. Rock Tools Division, which focuses on developing global markets. Carbide Blanks Division, which focuses on developing value-added carbide blanks. Cutting Tools Division, which is essential to the parts manufacturing industry. These 4 divisions operate and are active as the key player behind the automobile, aircraft, and electronics industries, as well as daily necessities and infrastructure work. Our head office is located in Gifu Prefecture in the Chubu region, which is the center for manufacturing. For example, automobile and aircraft manufacturing in Japan. Our plants are located also in Ibaraki Prefecture in the eastern part of Japan and Hyogo Prefecture in the western part of Japan, as well as in Thailand, which serves as the overseas manufacturing office. Each division places great importance in communicating with our customers in Japan as well as overseas through independent research and development. We investigate and then summarize market trends and the needs of each country or region quickly and thoroughly. We ensure that the most advantaged technology is provided through the strength of our research and our development activities using synergy with Mitsubishi Materials Corporation. Wear-resistant tools are used for iron and steel, energy industries, and in the manufacturing of daily necessities by utilizing the superior attributes of cemented carbide, which are hard and high in strength. Starting with the production of the Rolls milling irons during the high-growth economy in 1973, products requiring super-precision processing were released in the 2000s with the development of the IT industry. Our wear-resistant tools are manufactured in an integrated line, where even materials of cemented carbide can be developed through precision processing technology, and we can provide products which can quickly satisfy the demands of the current markets. The coating tool, slot die, is used for precision coating of liquid crystal panels, highly functional films, and lithium-ion secondary batteries. The blade edge of the slot die adopts microfine cemented carbide. Superior processing technology and an environment of strictly controlled temperatures produce our high-accuracy products. The contour cutting tool, rotary die cutter, is essential to the manufacturing of bandages and disposable diapers, used for the hygiene and medical field. This cutter has the unique technology to prolong the service life of blade edges. Also, further accuracy can be obtained by using the cutter with the high accuracy and high rigidity unit. Solid rolls are essential to the iron and steel industries. The heat-resistant and deform-resistant cemented carbide can mill steel heated to approximately 1000 degrees Celsius. This contributes to the high efficiency rate in the production of steel. In addition to the solid roll, plungers are essential tools used for compression processes of various gases in chemical plants. Our wear-resistant tools are carefully manufactured using sophisticated technology with reliable and high-quality control, as each type of tool is adjusted to the conditions prescribed by the user. The wear-resistant tools that are used in a wide range of fields, from the super-precision devices requiring the most advanced technologies to industrial products for mass production, are key components, playing a central role in the continually evolving manufacturing industry. The hard bedrock is hit and crushed. The rock tools with cemented carbide attached to their tips are used in construction sites for roads, bridges, and buildings, as well as boring holes in quarries and mines. Full-scale production of rock tools, first used in mining development during the Meiji era, began in 1947. After the inauguration of the sale of cemented carbide in the early Showa era, the late 1920s. Our rock tools are manufactured in integrated lines from the processing of cemented carbide for blade edges to the processing of the product's main body, enabling the customer to quickly receive any rock tool they may require. The drifting and tunneling equipment, which crushes rocks, is used to bore holes in the bedrock in mining development, quarries, and tunnel construction. Uniquely designed Super Max bits have a mechanism which spreads the blade edge head. Ultra Max bits have a ring-shaped blade edge bit and a cylindrical pilot bit combined. These tools are used to bore holes for the foundational pillars of buildings and bridges. Our rock tools have the largest market share in Japan. Our tools have been recognized as highly efficient and reliable product for structural foundation construction sites, including large buildings, where secure and straight boring is required. Also, the tools are used in infrastructure improvement constructions, including subways and sewer systems, and in the foundation construction of undersea tunnels and large suspension bridges. Ultec Thailand Corporation Limited is the overseas production office for our rock tools. Ultec Corporation Limited, equipped with the most advanced facilities similar to those in Japan, manufactures rock tools from the beginning to the end on a round-the-clock basis. The manufacturing line, which mainly manufactures the drifting and tunneling equipment, provides premium quality products to consumer countries around the world at low cost with quick delivery, using production technology and quality control skills adopted from the Japanese system. Ultec Corporation Limited has set up the manufacturing line for rods, important tools to transmit hammering, and torque from the cutting tools to the bits. In the future, we intend to expand the global market share of our rock tools by equipping a stock center linked with Japan and by shipping out the tools with the drifting and tunneling tools in a timely manner. Ultec Corporation Limited develops improvement activities at the manufacturing sites and engages in possible improvements in productivity and environmental preservation. cutting tools for parts and metal molds used in the IT and automobile industries require hardness and strength. Cemented carbide, which is harder than steel, is used for the cutting tools. We inherited technologies of Mitsubishi Materials Corporation that has led the world in cemented carbide and provided high-quality and high-performance cemented carbide for all processes of work in the pressing, sintering, and processing. Press processes and sintering, where predicting possible changes in dimension is very difficult. The Carbide Blank division has its own press and sintering technologies, and its high-accuracy carbide blanks have been highly recognized in the market. Mitsubishi Materials Corporation is one of the few cemented carbide manufacturers that can deal with everything, from the raw material process to the final product. We have been working on developing new materials through utilizing that advantage. The carbide rod is used in end mills, which process parts for automobiles and aircraft, and imprinted circuit board drilling. The small carbide blanks are used as the blade end for round saws for cutting metal materials. The plate and block of the cemented carbide are used for tools which process the blade edge of brazed tools, and the gear ditch used in the drive systems for automobiles. These cemented carbides are delivered to customers under complete quality control. In order to respond to the market needs, we will continue supplying highly value-added carbide blanks backed by our own technology. The tools with cemented carbide blade edges are used for processing parts for automobiles and aircraft. Cemented carbide, which is stronger than steel, solidifies powder by pressing and sintering the solid, and then forms a cemented carbide cutting edge. Since the inauguration of the sale of cemented carbide products in 1930, the shape and composition of our cutting tools have developed to coincide with the rapid growth of the economy. Akenobe Plant in Hyugo Prefecture manufactures standard turning inserts for standardized products. The inserts are mainly used for the turning processing of parts. The cutting tools are essential to processing parts used in the IT, automobile, medical, aerospace, and railway industries. These technology revolution of the tools help develop the above industries. Safety first is our most important theme. The manufacturing division promotes awareness in a visible form and ensures thorough management and instructions. Also, the division stresses creating technology-driven added values and cultivating human resources, which are the origin of manufacturing. We have acquired the ISO 9001 certificate for the high-quality standards that are required because the tools need high-accuracy processing and have full-scale quality control. Consideration for the global environment is an important mission imposed on all companies. We have tackled this theme from early on and acquired the Environment Management System ISO 14001 certificate. By recycling the cemented carbide, we have developed and manufactured eco-friendly products. We have actively participated in community-based contribution through cleanup and volunteering activities. MMC Realtek Corporation has built up a solid position by undertaking a part as a member of Mitsubishi Materials Group, leading the industrial world in both the domestic and overseas markets. We will promise to contribute to society through the most advantaged technological developments and environmental preservation activities. We also will strive for pursuing high quality and reliability for all our products, technology, and services